Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to give background in CSS. So I will explain by parts coming videos about background. So in this video, I am going to teach you about how to give a background color. Let's see. Let's go to our example. Now I am created a index.cshtml. If you don't know how to create this razor present this project, you can refer our previous videos. So in this section, that I am giving view section. So here I am giving one main heading h1. So this is name this background. This heading background color. So here the style you but mention for div tag. I'm giving background the type background here. IntelliSense will show the property here. You can apply. You can click background color, and you can give. I'm giving background color as some yellow coral. So for this section, I'm giving background color coral. For H1, I'm giving another background. Can give as any one. I'm giving some green. Mention here H1. So this is how you can give colors. So I am giving another tab. In this tab, I am giving paragraph. Welcome to. So I want to give here one color for paragraph and for paragraph you can select one color. Some gold color and selecting. So as far as now we have given color for div h1 paragraph. For background also I would like to give one. Save the changes and click run on the side. Wait for the website to load. Yeah, how it is affected, applied. So we have given background color cyan and for div we have given coral. You can see here section and for h1 green chart news color for paragraph. are given gold color. So in the next video we'll see how to apply opacity for all the sections. Thanks for watching.